Swadika, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Murieston Castle, looking at the ruined castle over there. Murieston Castle is a small roofless medieval townhouse and it was built in 16th century. It only 2-story up, so quite a small castle. This castle is in the west of Murieston Water, or well, at Murieston Castle Farm, as you can see, in West Calder, Scotland. The castle was restored in 1820, around 1820, 1830, and it had been described as being over-destroyed and having the character of folly, look like folly. The restoration is for John Keir, who bought the Wester Murieston in 1819. How to say, I can't find a lot of information. I take that John Keir had owned the castle and farm and land around here. And the castle was settled to monument around about around 1971 to 2018. This is very private, strictly private here, so not open to the public. We went there and spoke to the farmer inside the yard. They said that the owner was out about somewhere. We were waiting for quite a while. He didn't come back. We were waiting about half an hour. So we just filed down in and have a quick look. We respect your privacy. They want to go into your garden or that. And I hope this is okay. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. And thank you for your support. Thank you for your love and your always supporting to my channel. Very appreciated. Much love to all. And I'd like to show you some photographs that I put them together to look closer what it look like. Here the photograph is coming now. Spoke to the, well, I don't know if it's owner or someone who works in the farm, say that they don't like people go in and climb up all the fence, climb up the castle. And so I heard from what he was saying. So I take it people come up their own building and castle like this. It's quite dangerous. You know, it's not nice. And look at the castle. It's quite a nice feature. I think they climb out, go upstairs here. That's what they're talking about. I would love to see them closer, but again, I respect their decision. I respect their privacy. Thank you very much for watching, everyone, and I hope to see you soon in my next adventure. Thank you so much. ขอบคุณทุกท่านที่เข้ามารับชมให้กำลังใจนะคะจะไปให้อ่านค่ะไม่เยอะหรอกค่ะนิดเดียวสวัสดีค่ะบ๊ายบาย